Hello, and today I am going to talk about one of the best dashboard camera, and it is Rexing V1 Car Dash Cam. We will understand at what rate it records the motion and how it can protect the recorded footage and more, but before getting started, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I request you to hit the red subscribe button and then hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any of my latest review videos. Why Rexing V1 Car Dash Cam? Discreet design, signature low-profile design allows the V1 to be a well-hidden witness to the road ahead. Full HD recording, Sony Exmor IMX323 image sensor captures beautiful Full HD 1080p video at 30 fps. Wide dynamic range allows the camera to perform optimally in any lighting situation by adjusting the exposure to create balanced images and footage. 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, the 7-layer glass lens opens up to capture a sweeping view of its surroundings. Loop recording, recorded video is split into 3, 5, or 10-minute segments. When memory card is full, new recordings will automatically overwrite the oldest segments. This supports high-endurance micro SD memory cards and up to 128 GB in memory size. Accident auto detection (G-sensor). When the built-in gravity sensor detects a collision, the current video is locked, to ensure that the important footage is kept protected. Locked video will be kept safe from being overwritten. Check the description below for more information and deals. Support me by like, share and subscribe to my channel, which brings value for your money, and also check out my latest videos.